what if you can go live at one time to multiple platforms just like YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, and some other social media platforms? Yes, I am talking about StreamReels, and this is the StreamReels review and the demonstration video for you, so that you can evaluate its feature, its working, and you can make a buying decision, a solid decision about this software. So if you are interested on this software, then this video will be very helpful for you. So stay till the end on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So I'm into the official website of StreamReels, and this is, you can see, this is the official website. And first, let's talk about what is StreamReels. StreamReel is a software that will help you to go live on different platforms in one time. Just like if you want to add Facebook group, Facebook page, or you can add the YouTube channel and also the other social media channels, and you can go live in one time on the different platforms. You can also simulate the one platform, just like if you want to go live on a Facebook group and a Facebook page, then you can also go live on these two platforms with the help of StreamReels. So before going to start the demonstration, this is the dashboard of StreamReels. We are going to start the demonstration, how it works and how you can go, get help from StreamReels to go live on different platforms. So I have something extra excited for you. This is my StreamReels review, which is available on my official website, that is TechEvoke. So in this StreamReels review, you will get a full depth demonstration and the in-depth information about this software. Here I have something excited for you, that are TechEvoke bonuses. These bonuses will help you to grow your internet marketing, and also if you have business and you want to do digital marketing of your business, then these tools will help you a lot. And also I have some money making bonuses that will help you to generate some more income through online channels. Okay, so you can check out these bonuses with the help of the link that is available on the description. And you can see these are valuable bonuses, and also here are some money making bonuses also. You can get income with CPO offers, and also you can get some more CPO offers that will help you to generate income from the online channels. Okay, so I have also some kind of bonuses that are trainings. This is the boot camp, Facebook boot camp training, and also the LinkedIn training. And this is the time track, how you can manage your time on your company, how you can set up a CRM on your company, and also some other bonuses that will extremely help you on your internet marketing journey. Okay, so apart from these things, let's come to the StreamReels dashboard, and I'm going to start the demonstration. This is the official dashboard of StreamReels. Here you can go for demo videos. If you are new on StreamReels, if you have purchased StreamReels right now, then you can go first for the demo videos, so that you can learn how you can use the StreamReels. In this video I am showing you how you can use the StreamReels, but if you want to go for in-depth demonstration and the tutorial of StreamReels, then you can go with this demo videos option. And now we will go to the broadcast. If you want to launch your broadcast right now, or if you want to schedule your broadcast, then you can go here. Once I click on go broadcast, then you can see the overall platforms that I have added with the StreamReels uh, are available here. You can see my one of the Facebook page is here, and if you want to integrate some more platforms, then you can go to integrations. Here you can see the popular platforms are available: Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, LinkedIn, and some other RTMP social media platform. Okay, so you can add according to your need, according to your available platforms. Okay, So this is the integration part. So once I go to the broadcast now, then you can see I have to fill the title and the description. So whatever the title you want to fill, just like I want to fill the demo 1 2, and then description. This is the demo for StreamReel. Okay, so now you can see there is an option that is schedule. You can schedule your videos, your live streaming, or you can create this broadcast for going live right now. Okay, so if I so you can see my camera and mic is now available, and if you will go live on StreamReel for the first time, then you will see a pop-up will appear to get the permission of your mic and the camera. So you have to allow for the for getting the video and the audio on this app. Okay, so this is now not showing on my PC right now because I have already allowed. So you may face this permission pop up here, so you have to click on the allow button. Okay, so here I can set my display name. So I am setting my display name here and enter the studio. So this is the studio of StreamReel, and you can see this is the title and this is the description. And once I go to the customization, okay, so here I can see I can set up the customization just like if I want to show the text just like news style, or I can show the style just like rounded style, and also you can add the logo. Okay, so I am adding the logo just for the example. You can add the logo for your branding, for your showing the company logo, and also so this type of logo will appear on your live streaming with the StreamReel. Okay, so and this is the overlay, and you can also add the overlay. Once I add the overlay, then that overlay will be appear. If you will add the overlay, this will show just like an watermark. Okay, so you can also uh, save your video from the other persons so that they cannot use your videos. Okay, also you can add the video if you don't want to go live, if you want to upload the pre-recorded videos or the videos you have already on your PC, then you can also add the videos. Those videos will be go live just if you want. You can go live right now, or you can schedule your live streaming. Okay, this is the background, just like overlay. You can also set the background. So this is all about the customization. If you want to add any banner here, so you can also add the banner. This is the headline. Whatever the headline you can set, that will show on the banner. Okay, so according to this StreamReel, you can also add the background music. So these are the background music you can add with your live streaming video. So as it is, you can also upload your own videos if you want. Okay, so these are the audios. Just like if you don't want to use these audios, and if you feel like these are the limited audios, you don't like these videos, so you can also add your own audio. Okay, so this is all about the StreamReel broadcast. Okay, so here you can also set pre-comments. Okay, these comments will be posted randomly on the Facebook, or you can say any other platform. Okay, so this is all about StreamReel, how you can set up your background, and also you can customize, you can give the branding with your logo and the color, and some kind of other features on StreamReel. So this is it. After after doing all these things, you can go live with the StreamReel. This is the option by which you can go live. I'm not going live because this is the demo video, and this is all about your StreamReel demonstration. Okay, so also you can add videos from here. If you want to invite some other guests to join your videos, then you can go with the invite button, and you have to click on the to this URL, and you can share this URL with your joinees, and you can share this link with them, and they will join your broadcast, and they can add with your broadcast. Okay, so you can also stop the camera, and you can also share the screen. Okay, once you share the screen, this screen will be shared on your PC. Okay, so this is all about the stream reels. I hope this will be beneficial for you, and you can make a buying decision with the stream reel. Okay, so don't forget to check out my bonuses that are available on my official StreamReel review, and this is available on Tachybook, and the link is on the description. You can go with that link anytime, and you can check all these things. Okay, along with the bonuses, you can also check the upgrades. These are the upgrades that you may have to upgrade with the StreamReel. Just if you want to go for some other extra features of StreamReel, then you can go with the OTOs. Okay, these are the OTOs, and here is the bundle deal also available, and this bundle deal is now live with the half price of overall OTOs. If you calculate all the pricing of its OTOs, then that will be half of double of this bundle deal. Okay, so this is good for you if you go for bundle deal. If you want to use all the features of StreamReels, if you want to go free with the StreamReels to use all the features, then this bundle deal will be very affordable and beneficial for you. So this is all about StreamReels review. Hope you like this video, and hope you like this software. If you want to start your live streaming, if you are a tutor, if you are a business owner who regularly explain their products, who regularly want to sell their products through webinars, through live streaming videos, then this software will be very beneficial for those. So